In this video, I am frying pomfret fish. Take 2 medium-sized pomfret fish and make small cuts as shown in the video. This helps in better marination and enhances the taste. Repeat the same for the other fish. Now, let's prepare fish fry masala. Add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Add a spoon of coriander powder, cumin seeds powder, pepper powder, Kashmiri chilli powder. Add a spoon of table salt. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add lemon juice. Mix everything well until you get a good consistency. Add a spoon of cooking oil. Mix well until you get a thick paste. Once the paste is ready, I am applying it onto the fish. Take pomfret fish and apply a even coat of this paste on both the sides. Apply masala to other fish in the same way. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to get daily cooking recipes. After applying the masala, keep aside to marinate for half an hour. Take a frying pan and cooking oil. Wait until the oil is heated. Now add the marinated fish. Make sure to maintain medium flame during the whole frying process. Fry for 3 minutes and fry on the reverse side. After 3 more minutes, remove the fish and keep it aside. Follow the same frying process for the other fish as well. Tasty pomfret fish fry is ready to be served. Thanks for watching the video.